In this video, I wanted to unbox the CX650 power supply that I use for one of my machine learning builds. This guy was pretty, good for the value. I didn't need a powerful PSU, so this was adequate for my needs. And I think if anybody's considering it, when you get in the box, you basically get some instructions, but then you just get the PSU and you get your power cable. This is not modular, so all the cables are, stuck to the PSU. I'm going to be very honest, I don't want to pay for modular, PSUs and the asking price for that, so I really could care less if some cables are just tucked in my machine, but that's just me being a bit, I guess, ignorant. Anyways, it's kind of easy to install. You just get your mounting bracket, install it, and for your PC case that you have, I have my Cooler Master Q300 that I talked about in my other videos. Basically, it was easy to slot in and it fits perfectly. Anybody's considering a PSU, at least on a budget, I think this is pretty good. And obviously, if your power requirements are pretty low, yeah, have a look.